So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to download a voice message from Messenger. So the first thing you need to do is to launch any browser on your PC like Chrome, Edge or Firefox. In the address bar, visit m.facebook.com, log into your Facebook account if prompt, and click the Messenger icon in the top right corner of the page. Now open the chat that contains the voice message you want to download, then locate the voice message and click the three-dot menu next to it, then select Download. Now the voice message will be saved to your computer as an MP3 audio file which you can play, move or convert if needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.